Hello, SuperTux version 0.7 beta 1 was released. Let's try to install it on a Linux computer. So SuperTux is a free open source game that is similar to the Super Mario Bros. Game. This is the wiki page. This is the homepage, supertux.org. This is the announcement of SuperTux 0.7 beta 1 that has been released. There's many changes into the graphics of the worlds. Let's go to the GitHub release page. And here are the pre-built binaries. There's APKs for Android, versions for Windows, and for Linux we have either an app image or a file with extension .flatpak. Let's try first the app image. I have seen this preference from the app image community that people should have a directory named applications in their home directory. So let's create such a directory with an uppercase A. I'm going to save the file there. And then I'm going to run the app image file. So applications. The file should be probably made executable because it was just downloaded using Mozilla Firefox. Right-click properties and permissions. Allow executing file as program. OK. The Linux operating system that I'm using right now is Kubuntu 25.10. Let's start the game. I'm going to double click on the file with extension app image. Would you like to allow SuperTux to connect to the internet? Yes. Would you like to allow SuperTux to check for new releases? Nope. And start the game. Press escape to skip. Yeah, if this game is totally new to you, you should totally watch all of the videos to understand the story of the game. And also maybe you want to sneak peek a bit and read the, or at least parts of the Wikipedia article on SuperTux to understand the game a bit. The bosses, the worlds, the various things that SuperTux can obtain, such as the flowers and other coins and things, objects that SuperTux can obtain in the world. Let's escape for now. So this is the first world. Welcome to Antarctica. We're at the first level in the first world. Okay. This is probably a game that you want to play with a game controller. I'm using a simple keyboard. You want to jump on top of the enemies because we don't have a way of firing. And in time you're going to just learn where is everything hidden. So I got a snowball and now I'm the double size, which will allow me to jump probably higher. eggs. An egg makes tux grow larger, so that snowball is actually an egg. Okay, this is an information block. I get coins. Okay, and this is another type of enemy that will slide. Let's see how we jump there. I was never good at playing Super Mario. Fire flower shoots fireball, so with this we have a gun. Okay, let's see how we should get to the place with lots of coins. And with the control key we shoot. So jump and shoot, jump and shoot, and back. So I lost the power to shoot, and I did not lose a life because I had the flower. Ooh, things are slippery. Tux dolls. Unlock bonus islands in the world. Another type of enemy, a bomb. Okay, in here you probably need to both jump and run at the same time. And then you need to brake. Okay, falling ice blocks. The gun. Let's see how we enter into this world. Oof. So I jumped and then I pressed the down arrow key. For jumping, the space key is used by default, not the up arrow key. Okay, we have here a bit of help where it says that you want to jump on the wood blocks in order to break them. So jump and then press the down arrow key. Run and jump. Okay, another type of enemy. You need to probably walk underneath this guy. A secret area. What if we shoot at the place? Okay, so this was the first world, the ice world, and the first level. Second level, journey begins. Let's jump on this thing. So you can hit question mark blocks multiple times. I already had the possibility of shooting. Okay. What do you want to do now? Jump straight to the second floor or go to the first floor? Okay. Let's see what's hidden in here. Coins, 3 coins. Okay. So that was a enemy bomb. Okay, another fire flower. I have no clue how to jump here. Maybe there's something hidden in here. And this is the place where I'm certainly going to die. Nope. Okay, that was nice. Let's see if I can get up there on the left side. And I can. Whoa. Can I jump from here? Whew. Okay, so you need to, I know, run, jump, and then run, jump or something. Woo, not like this. Oof. So I keep jumping with the up arrow key, and that's a bad idea. Okay, so that's the world. Let's see the other worlds. Bonus Island 1. Let's see this world. Yeah, ooh, what's happening here? Yeah, I should probably remap the up arrow key to also be a jump. Let's see if that's possible. Options, controls, setup keyboard. I want a second up. How do we do that? A second jump. Jump with up, this guy. Great. So the up arrow key is for going up. Okay. And now I'm big. Yeah, so the game doesn't have any bugs. I didn't encounter any issues. Up until this point, there's multiple worlds available. There's a editor application, similar to other popular games. Many not open source games, such as I know StarCraft, do have their own editor. And this is really useful for the modding community to create additional worlds and levels and to modify existing ones. And maybe you can learn all of the secrets of the existing worlds and levels by opening the existing world in the editor, and there probably you can find out all of the secret passages and secret blocks, etc. Let's see how we do that. Revenge in Redmond. Okay, let's look at the file structure. So there's a directory in the home directory ~/.local/share/supertux2 with some worlds. Level a revenge in Redmond. Yeah, this is probably just for editing, right? The level does exist, but it was extracted here. And we're going to extract it, and maybe it has higher priority than the out-of-the-box provided level. The file extension is STL. Let's open this thing with a text editor. Whoa, so this looks like Lisp. SuperTux Lisp. Wow. Great language for extending binaries and executables. Images, background. Very, very interesting file format. Cross-platform, not a zip file. Looks really great. Edit another world. So I can see just two worlds in here, Revenge in Redmond and Bonus Islands 1. What's so the levels are sorted alphabetically, not, or not. I'm not exactly sure what's the order here. I haven't seen this level in while playing. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm really bad at playing SuperTux because I'm using the keyboard, because I didn't have experience playing related games, 2D scrollers, while I was a child. I keep dying extremely easily and slipping on ice. And that's why I don't have experience. I didn't even go through all of the levels that are unlocked by default in the default worlds. Or I didn't play online content for SuperTux. So this is it. SuperTux worked great for me in the sense that I didn't encounter any issues, was intuitive, the first levels are guiding you all the way. I do recommend that if you play SuperTux for the first time, at some point, maybe not when you start, but after a while, you actually do it professionally, like read the wiki page, follow all of the videos that are inside the game, look at all of the text that's being shown to you in the first levels to learn all that you can about all of the items and add-ons and features. And then if you keep playing, you can go in two directions, either go for speedruns, learn how to finish the first world as fast as possible, or go, so this would be breadth first, or go depth first, which is find all of the hidden treasures in all of the levels and learn by heart all of these. So this is it. SuperTux, a very important game for Linux and the free and open source software. It covers a niche. It's actively being developed. It's part of most of the Linux operating systems as binary package and has recently been released. It uses the GPU. It can run software accelerated. This is it. Thank you.